Prime, prime, prime. That's what happens right before we paint. And it's an exciting time of the home construction process because it means that your home is going to be done fairly soon. I'm Steph Saunders with Key Team at Compass, and you found footings to finish. Let's check in on lot 5 and lot 10. Moving into the mudroom, and then of course that beautiful 3-car garage. Bedroom is looking beautiful. Again, primed, ready for paint, and they even put the double doors on here into the primary suite. The beautiful walk-in closet, all primed and ready to go. They have insulated the whole shower, and next will be sheetrock, and then we will tile. So I can't wait to see how this shapes up. Doors, doors, everywhere is doors. All the rooms are coming together, and it looks like they got the whole house primed this week. Looking good. All right, we're gonna head over to lot 5 now. We just left lot 10. That's who just had all their walls primed. And we're gonna go and check out this home, see how it's coming along. You guys have been following this build for a while, so let's check out and see where they're at. I actually haven't been in lot 5 in a couple weeks, and so many things have happened. Wait till I show you this shower. This is a really sunny walk-in closet. I would love this because you're gonna be able to see all of your clothes, see how you look, really smart. I love what they're doing with the kitchen here. It sort of has a dark blue and white theme. I think that is so New England. I love white and blue together. It's just a really fresh take on an all-white kitchen with the dark blue island, and it goes great with the floors. I can't wait to see them with their semi-matte finish. White oak treads all the way up to the top of the stairs. I love this railing, isn't it pretty? And remember this view down to your open concept living dining with that fireplace. So look at that, it goes all the way up, so pretty. So we'll head upstairs here, and they did upgrade their flooring to be hardwood throughout the whole home, so even the bedrooms are going to have wood. Here's that beautiful look. Those double windows, so nice. We'll head down the hallway here. I haven't been in here in a while, so great, great. All the floors are done. This is gonna be their laundry room. And then this was the one that had the step down. Remember, we saw this framed a couple months ago. Primary suite, accent wall in a green. Very lovely. And then let's check out their bathroom. The best part. Walk-in closet. Remember, there were 2 walk-in closets. Here's the second one. And then they did a slate tile. They're doing a medium brown cabinet. I really like this, so pretty. Here is their, oh my God, look at the shower. So huge, room for everybody, love it. And then of course your little double WC will be over here. I haven't been in lot 5 for a couple weeks, and I can't believe all the progress that has been made. Flooring is in, railings are in, cabinetry is going in. Pretty soon we'll be doing appliances, lighting, and then we'll be turning this home over to its new owners. A great tip that I have for new construction is to get into a subdivision early on. Number 1, because you'll be their main focus getting your house built and off the books. And number 2, prices go up as the subdivision gets closer to completion. And number 3, it's pretty much all hands on deck on your house. Once we have 2, 3, 4 houses to build, all of the work is being shared over those various houses. So buy early, save money, get your house built faster. Hey, if you're new to this new construction content, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like that bell so you know when I post new photos, and leave a comment if there's something that you want to see, something in particular you want to learn about building new construction. I'm your girl. I'll see you next week for another episode of Footings to Finished.